with the same other couple. Swing your partner. Join hands again. Here we go. And the left. And right. Arch under. Under. Bring out the dish bag. And the other way. Swing your partner. Stay with the same ones one more time. Join hands and circle. And back. Arch. Arch. Bring out the dish bag. Bring out. And the other. Swing and move on. Find a new couple. And circle left. Now. Swing, move on, find a new couple. Circle. Right. This time, swing and make one big circle, everyone, one big circle. One big circle, circle left. And right. Okay, we're going to make an arch here. Nobody let go of hands, and Helen and partner are going to lead this. Okay, I'm relying on you two. Turn out. Okay, under the arch here. Move your way back. Don't let go. We can do this. We can bring out the whole room. Yay! Swing your partner. Swing. Keep swinging.